Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning for the week of the 11th through the 17th in my strawberry latte mega weeks. And if you don't know already, I am actually using the notes pages of my mega weeks as a second weeks, just like this one, if you missed that. So this is where it starts and this is where we are right now. And today I'm going to be using our newest printable called Romantic Rose, newest by the time I'm filming. So if you'd like to see how my page turns out, make sure to stay until the end of the video. So let's get started. Let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about our printables first. So this printable costs a little under $2. Excuse my voice please, I do not know what's going on. And this is our first photo kit as a printable, and the design is of flowers. They're roses in pastel colors and they're really cute. I really love how this looks like. And for each printable you get a choice between an A4 or a US letter sized paper. Make sure to choose the correct paper. The printables, this is made for the Hobonichi weeks, and you actually get 2 kits in one printable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my trusty scissors, my favorite one, a Maped scissor, ultimate precision something, but it's small and it's very easy to control. The handle is rubber. That's important because I do a lot of cutting for crafting and things. So now I have a choice between 2 similar looking but using different palettes printables. So I have a purple one and a pink one, and because this is Valentine's week, I am going to use the pink one and save the other one for another day, because it's also very spring-like. And if you have a wedding to attend, that is the perfect printable kit for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this part. After I've cut this part, I will be cutting the excess stickers on the upper part of the kit. So I will be fast forwarding that part. I'm done with taking off the excess paper around the stickers that I will be using. So this part are your bottom bars. You can choose between 3. I usually use all because I'm like that. And then you also have this part where you have your date covers or day covers, your decorative strip, and you have 2 vertical boxes, 2 horizontal boxes, and 2 single boxes, as well as 4 checklists and a weekend banner. Now this weekend banner is actually a square, so it should be more of a header than my usual script stickers. So I will be coming out with a sheet with all of these just script boxes, so make sure to watch out for that in my shop. So let's go ahead and get started. Now first I'm gonna take off or cut off this date cover. Okay, and I've put it 2 boxes above the last box. I mean the last line, because I'm gonna put this over here. Let me go ahead and cut this bit as well as these bits and be right back. There you go. And now let's go ahead and play with the stickers. So I mentioned I'm gonna put this down at the bottom, like a washi. There you go. Maybe I'll cut this off. Yeah. Alright. So I cut off this bit here, and then I'm gonna place this somewhere else. I'm gonna just put this back on a piece of paper, and we shall go back to this as a decorative strip. So the sticker is actually, or rather the printable is actually very functional. Oh, then it won't align. Okay. I'm gonna put this here, up here. There you go. And then, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Sorry. I'm fangirling over this kit. It is lovely. Oh, it's actually upside down than what I designed it to be, but it works so well, so that's how it's gonna stay. When I peel the back off, am I still in frame? I wonder. Because I don't know. I'm so into peeling the back off the sticker. So I've put down one of the bottom bars, and I'm gonna put one of the bottom bars at the bottom also. Well, not really at the bottom. Okay, yeah, at the bottom. No, I'm gonna put it on Saturday. Oh. Okay, I'm afraid that it will not align, so where's my ruler? Okay. Ruler, where are you? Okay, I've heard this somewhere, maybe in a chat group, that some weeks are not aligned. Like the note pages, the grids aren't aligned. That is not the case for my weeks, and I'm very thankful for that, to be honest. But that is concerning, because if it's not aligned, it might really bother you that it will not be aligning when you do this on your notes pages. So just be very mindful. Check if it is aligned, if it's the same. If this line goes all the way here and it's generally in the same level. That's what I meant. Okay, so now we are going to cut these little pieces out. I'm gonna cut them all out, and then we're gonna play with them, because it will take so long and it's gonna be really weird if I don't do that. So let's get started. Okay, we're done. Yay! Let me scoot this on up right there. Okay, so I just grouped them together. Oh no, I forgot. Okay, I just put them together so that I know what is what. Now I'm gonna go ahead, oops. I'm gonna go ahead and put down some checklists for every day except for Thursday and Friday. Maybe Saturday. No, not Saturday. Okay. Oops. Ugh. Actually, maybe I should line this up first before I put it down. I'm actually going to do something different today. So I've taken my Papermate Ink Joy 05, and because this kit has a lot of pink, I thought that it'd be really pretty to use this on here. Now be very careful, because sometimes Papermate does bleed. At least that's why I only use like the thinner tips, thinner points. Okay, and that is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put down the other checklists. Ugh. So another checklist here. So this is where my to-dos will be for the oh, by the way, this is my shop planner. So all of these are very shop specific things that I will write down. That's why I don't really I'm not putting down checklists on every day, because some days I'm not gonna have any time for the shop. But when I do or should have some time for the shop, like Saturday and Sundays, because I do have another job and I am a student, then I should be doing shop stuff. What was I saying? I forgot. Okay, there we go. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use the weekend banner first, and I'm actually gonna put this not on here but on here. And so if I have any weekend plans, oh my gosh, look at how I cut this. It's really bad, and I'm very sorry. I am also going to put this because Valentine's is on Thursday. Oh no. Okay, wrong. I'm just gonna chill this, let that chill there. It is Valentine's, but we are also out of town on Thursday and Friday. We're very excited. So I'm gonna put this here, and then maybe put this somewhere here. Okay, so on Wednesday, that's our last class day, and I'm gonna put this here. I'm probably gonna be able to do one thing. Oh no, that's printable releases. So this is gonna be printable releases, and then I'm gonna put these here. So first, put this down here. So these will be extensions of all of this. And then I'm gonna put, oh, I should have put this up there. Can I still do that? I can. I'm very happy about that. Bunch of to-dos. Another bunch of to-dos. Because it's probably just gonna be social media. Or if I have any ideas, they can go on there. That's what I like about the weeks. Even if it's small, there's actually a lot of space for you to do stuff or write stuff down. And last but not least, there we go. And that is the page. And I wonder how this is gonna look like in the end. I mean, after the week has passed. If you would like to know how that looks like, then make sure to follow me on Instagram. That is where I post my completed spreads. I am looking for that sticker that I put away that I wasn't gonna use, that I was saving, but I can't find it. Okay, when I find it, I'm probably gonna put it here. Alright, so this is what we have so far, and then I'm just gonna write down the dates. Right, I'm not gonna write anything as of right now, but I will do, well, not here, but I will do trackers. Okay, so I did that wrong a little bit, and it's bleeding. Oh well, that's life. Okay, so I misjudged the spacing here. I did not do any Monday. Well, I wasn't gonna do this on Monday, so phew. But I will be doing printables on Tuesday, so that is a good thing that it starts on Tuesday, but it should have started on a Monday, but I did the spacing wrong and I wrote on it. So, oh well. Maybe next time it won't be like this. Also, I'm going to, this plan with me is all over the place actually. I'm gonna write notes here, and that is all that's gonna be here for now. So this is our completed spread. I used the Touch by Pentel's brush pen. I used the Papermate Ink Joy, as well as my printable in Romantic Rose, and you can get it from paperjoyph.com. That is my shop if you'd like some printable Hobonichi Weeks kits that you can just print and you can download and then just print, because they just have one file, just a single PDF, so it's really easy, really quick. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planner videos, please subscribe to my channel and also follow us in our social media. We have our Instagram as well as Facebook group that are both paperjoyph. And of course, please join our Facebook group. Did I say Facebook group earlier? I meant Facebook page is paperjoyph. We do have a Facebook group, and that is paperjoyph Planning World. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!